I'm going to create the times table. Just looks like this. And if you look at this, it has 9 lines. So let's see. 1, 2, oops, 2, 3, 4 to 9. Okay. And then if you look at the numbers, the numbers are getting bigger. The first number, 2, 3, 4, 5. And it's all the things are repeating. So when it's repeating it, we can think about the for loops. When you're creating something like this, something is repeating, you have to think about the lines first. Okay, how many lines you are going to create. So that's the first thing you have to think about. And then the second thing is the numbers, okay? Yeah, these things here inside of it. So let's create the for loops. I'm gonna name lines because, it's easier for you to see, understand. So the lines starts from 1, okay? 1 to 9, till it goes to 9. It's equals to 9. And then line is getting bigger, so plus plus. So then you create the lines. But this is actually not the end, because when you're creating lines, let's see, this is called, after this is printed out, you have to go to the next line. And after this is printed out, you go to the next line. So you have to put system line. So it makes you go to the new lines. The first, after you're creating it, you go to the second, third, okay? So, after creating the lines, you have to think about the numbers inside. So, int numbers. Okay. Let's see. Just say number. So, see. 2, 3. So, what is repeating? You see 2, 3, 4, 5. This is getting bigger, and this is repeating, okay? So, the numbers, it starts from 2 to 5. Get 5. 2, 3, 4, 5. This is getting bigger. So 2 to 5. And then, no, oh, sorry. Number is equals to 5. And number plus plus. Okay. Oops. Okay. Prints out only 1. If it's second, it prints out only 2. So you just put the line numbers, lines, this one here. And then we're creating this. Okay. Now, let's take a look at this. Normally, the number should goes to the first, but it's taking 2 seats, and 1, 2, and also it's right aligned. So whenever you are creating something like this, let's do the printf. So whenever you are creating something like this, we have a specific code for it. Right. So this means, this 2 means your number, your output, is taking up the 2 seats. So it's actually, it means 0, 2. Just think it's taking up the 2 seats. So when you're printing out the 2 number, it's 1, 0. It's alright. But if it's only prints out only 1 number, you are taking up the 2 seats, so the number goes to the right align. I just think that when it's 2D, I just think it has a 0 in front of the number. So I think that if it's 2D, then just like 1, 0, 1, 2, 1, 3, 2, 1, 9. Okay, but it has 2 numbers, then it's okay. It prints out pretty well. And if it's over the 2 numbers, like 1, 2, 3, it just ignores it. It's useless. It doesn't make sense. This system just ignores this kind of stuff. So anyway, it just applies to only the 1 number, and you are invisible. This 0, you are invisible. If you want to see this 0, you have to put the 0 here. Then it prints out 0, 1. Okay. So, and then this one is a number and 1. So 2 times 1, 2. 2 times 2, 4. So it's number times lines. Okay. And then let's take a look at this after prints out. After prints out the 2, it has a tab gap. I mean, each timetable is divided with the tab. So with the tab, you just put T. Okay. So let's print out. Okay, got it. I made it. We made it. Right? So whenever you are creating something like timetable, first think about the lines first. These lines. Okay? And then the numbers. Something is getting bigger. Thank you.